Growing your own food is very rewarding. You know exactly what goes into it. Homegrown vegetables taste better than store-bought, plus it saves you money on groceries. Backyard farming is good for the environment too. You reduce food miles and packaging waste. Growing your own food also helps create a healthier ecosystem in your backyard. Start your own backyard farm. It's easier than you think. First, choose a sunny spot in your yard. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight every day. Prepare the soil by removing weeds and adding compost. Next, decide what to grow. Start with easy-to-grow vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and beans. You can buy seedlings from a garden center or start from seeds. Water your plants regularly, especially during dry spells. Add mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Use organic fertilizers for healthy growth. Some vegetables are very easy to grow. Lettuce grows quickly and doesn't need much care. Tomatoes are also a good choice. They need some support as they grow tall. Beans are another easy crop for beginners. They can even climb up a support, saving space. Zucchini grows very quickly and produces lots of vegetables. For herbs, try basil, mint, and chives. They are easy to grow in pots or in the ground. Watch out for pests and diseases. Check your plants regularly for any signs of trouble. Use organic pest control methods whenever possible. Harvest your vegetables regularly. This encourages more growth. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown produce in delicious meals. Backyard farming is a rewarding experience. It connects you with nature. It provides you with fresh, healthy food. Start your own backyard farm today and taste the difference.